Oh, I was asked if I was leaving because of the storm. Yeah, no, we're not. Okay, in case you don't know, there is a tropical storm about to be a hurricane, apparently, heading directly towards us. Like, here's the thing, right here. Yeah, that line, it hits landfall like directly on us. And yeah, no, we're staying right here. Like, the only thing that's really anyone's concern is potential flooding and electricity or water and sewage getting turned off. And we don't get flooding over here. Like, our town would have to be completely underwater for us to even get anything close to our front door, because our house is like, okay, so we do have a body of water near us. It's a bayou. I don't know if you know what it is. It's basically a teeny tiny river, kind of like a stream, I guess. I don't know, I'm gonna have to look it up. I don't really know the definition of a bayou. I haven't had to do that since like elementary school. Anyway, so yeah, we have a bayou right near us, and then there's a slight hill, and then that is our house, and then our driveway is a hill. So we're fine. Yeah, only thing we really have to be concerned with is our electricity going out or our water and sewage going out. And so yeah, I don't like the hot, but I've dealt with hurricanes before. Like, this is nothing. Right now it's not even a hurricane. It might get to a Category 1 by the time it reaches landfall, but then it's going to die down, because once hurricanes reach land, they die down. So yeah, we might get a Cat 1, but I figured I'd show you guys the whole hurricane thing. So this is gonna be just the hurricane vlog, I guess. Yeah, so this is what it is right now. It is currently Friday. It is supposed to make landfall, I think, Saturday. I don't know. All I know is right now we have the whole of Louisiana's state of emergency, and we have a curfew tonight from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Friday night, Saturday night. Yeah, mandatory curfew and all that jazz. So, but yeah, this is about how it is right now. Hold on. It's a tad windy. Earlier there were still blue skies even with the wind, but the blue skies have since gone. It is now very cloudy. Yeah. This is it. We're just gonna have a very bad thunderstorm. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Yeah, it's basically just gonna be a very bad thunderstorm for us, which we are very much used to. Yeah. Good morning. We woke up to just strong wind, and I think it rained at some point last night. I don't know, there was water on the ground and on the playhouse in the backyard. So that's the only indication of that. Other than that, I have the storm door deadbolted so that it doesn't keep swinging open, because the little bar thing at the top that keeps it open, I don't know, it's broken. We think the wind might have broken it from, you know, swinging it open. So yeah, have that deadbolted and big door open so I can just look outside. And yeah, the wind's not that hard, but from what I heard, it's moving more and more west, so it's not going to hit us directly. So there's that. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to enjoying my coffee. So as the winds are picking up, I just went through the back area to make sure all the doors were locked. Windows are down, right? Yep. Okay, cool. Apparently it's about like 20 miles away, I think. Something like that. Hey, buddy. You nervous? I know, he's kind of creepy back there, huh? Please don't go out yet. So one part of storm preparations is there's a very good chance that the electricity will go out, which, you know, it just flickered once. So yeah, I put the AC down enough that condensation. But yeah, we want to make sure that if the electricity goes out, the house stays somewhat cool for a while. Some people are bringing the temperature down to like the 60s. I have it at like 71 right now. But yeah, I personally didn't start lowering it until it got closer, because that electricity bill, yo. But yeah, other than that, we haven't really gotten much rain. Like, I don't think we've gotten any rain since I woke up this morning. It's mostly been just a little bit of wind. A little bit. Let's say a little bit. Fair amount. Oh, look at that toy. It's flying away. I should probably hook that right there. That was definitely not there this morning. So I should probably move it because it is in the way of Richie parking. Yeah, this thing takes 2 hands to deadbolt. It's old. We're losing stuff in the trash cans. Lovely.
Monster.
You are a thirst monster.
I am a thirst monster.
Then get you something to drink, thirst monster.
Are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging me.
I'm vlogging you. Hi, Dads!
Yeah, so Richie is obviously home. They let him out earlier than his shift was supposed to end, but later than they should have, because people are totally buying phones during a tropical storm / hurricane. Did people actually go in and buy stuff?
4 people came in with problems. 1 person came in and got a phone. The total drop for the business from when they opened until they closed was $124.07.
That's not worth opening during a storm over, in my opinion, but whatever. What, baby? That is a hot glue gun.
For my wand.
Yes, I did use the hot glue gun for your wands.
But I got the wand.
You do have a wand.
But I want to show Daddy one.
You want to show Daddy your wand? You're playing your paint game, though.
I want to show Daddy my wand.
Okay, then go show Daddy your wand.
No, take it down and no, I'll show you.
Oh, so you're picking up your paint so you can... Oh. How about Daddy goes and gets it since he's the one you went to see it? But yeah, so the lights have gone out, like full electricity, what, twice now? And it was for like a few seconds each time.
Yeah.
But
my phone is not being nice.
I'm sorry. Does your phone need to go in timeout?
It needs to be restarted.
Okay.
Because electronics get fixed. For
Well,
the most part, when you restart them, Lexi.
Well, maybe that's considered its timeout.
I don't know.
I don't know.
You're a noob.
I am a noob.
Noob.
It's kind of raining. It's kind of very windy. I've just spent my time cleaning the kitchen because the kitchen needs to be
By
cleaned.
Monday, we're supposed to have overnight estimation shows that we're supposed to have over 19 inches of rain.
Oh, 19 inches total?
By Monday.
Oh, I thought it was 15.
It was.
Oh, they increased it? Okay.
Huh?
Cool. She wants to show you her wand that is on her wall.
The one that I put on her wall?
Yeah, the
that I
one
hung the hooks for?
hooks, yep. You did that, but you definitely haven't seen her wand, apparently, according to Arya. Do you want to play the paint game? You do? Okay.
But in the hurricanes that we've watched in the last several years, Harvey, Michael, Irma,
Let's see the
Maria,
other
where
side.
they go through
Turn
these
your
rapid
head. Turn your head.
intensification cycles for several days. And then when I
make
started
it
my
hard
career
to
in
clean.
meteorology, it was rare that you saw a category 4 or 5 hurricanes for more than a 12 or 24-hour period. And you go back to 2018, you go back to 2017, we're watching these storms develop and intensify well beyond of what we would normally expect.
You are covered.
Oh, yeah? So. Oh, you want it? Alright, hold on.
The wind was blowing, huh? She would like a Band-Aid. Sit right here, Nana. Clean your feet. What? You gonna bathe them?
My calves still hurt.
My leg hurts.
My calves hurt.
Why do calves hurt?
Because they're sore from yesterday. For some reason.
From yesterday.
Yeah.
What did you do yesterday?
I don't know. I went to work and boarded the stuff up. I have no idea.
Oh, y'all were preparing the store and everything.
No,
Right.
I boarded this window up.
Oh,
I mean, yeah, we did. I moved some sandbags and stuff. That could be it, but I don't know.
don't know.
No.
Yeah, well. We still have electricity, but his mom
We
does
do.
not.
She does not.
So she's staying at our house tonight.
She is.
And whenever Richie brought the girls with him in the truck to go get her. And whenever they got back, I ran outside. Thankfully, I was wearing my boots.
She did.
To go get Iris out the car. And, yeah, as I was going back in, the little folding chair, it was folded up. But, yeah, the wind blew so hard, it made it fly into me on the side of my bad leg.
Right there.
It still hurts.
It does.
I took either one or two. What is the naproxen? Naproxen sodium. It's generic something with an A. Aleve? I never know if it's Aleve or Advil. I just know it's something with an A. But yeah, my leg hurts.
I think it's
even though I took that. Oh my goodness. And we have the news on. Doesn't that look nice? That sucks. Oh God, look. Oh my goodness, look at the roof.
Yep. The roof is not on fire.
No, it's not on the building even.
It got rolled up like some culvert.
Oh my God.
Look.
Look at that. Ah. So yeah, the wind's getting pretty tough, guys. Oh my God.
But we're good. And
Yeah.
you know what the awesome thing about where we live is? We live on a hospital grid.
So they get our electricity up pretty quick. So. Anyway.
But thus far,
Yeah.
we good.
Yeah. I think the hurricane hit land, but it's like
So we
south.
have a high pressure system. It's like beating the storm back into the Gulf while it's trying to make
like
land.
The hurricane's trying to go this way, but dry air is coming down this way, and so it's just going so slow. Like,
and it's kind of screwing up part of the storm.
Facebook is filled with memes about how slow Barry is going because it's just going so slow. Like, there's one with the sloth from Zootopia. It's going so slow. Okay. Oh, hey, that's mine. Thank you.
Mama's beer. Thank you.
Hurricane party,
Can you
guys.
say welcome?
Can you say you're welcome?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, cutie.
Come on. Check the top.
The lights went out while I was taking a shower. The thing I was scared of happened. Which is why I brought a flashlight. Well, that was just long enough to interrupt my shower.